You tested your pH and it's off. Now, what do? How do you adjust the pH of your water? Hey folks, my name is Max from HOPS World, and today we are going to show you just that, how to adjust the pH of the water that you feed your hops. Let's do it. Okay folks, so hopefully you know what pH is and how to test your water for pH. If you don't know, at the end of this video I'm going to put links for our first two tips, number 1 and number 1A, on what is pH and how to test the pH. Today we're going to adjust the pH of your water. It does no good to know your pH if you can't adjust it. So if your water is not in the range of 6.5 or maximum 7.0, even if you want to adjust it to 6.5, it's great to know how to adjust your water. So that's what we're going to show you today. So here we have our water. We've already tested it and we know it's actually very acidic. If you look at the pH chart here, you can see that the red is the acidic side. So just to show you, we have some of our water here, and we're going to add 3 drops using the liquid pH tester kit. And you can see how red the water is. So we know that's really on the scale of acidic, down to 2 or 3. So we need to adjust the pH up higher. And how do we do that? Well, we bought a product online. It's very common. There's various different brands. This is actually called pH Up, which raises the pH higher when you add this to your water. The other solution we buy is called pH Down. Same thing. Add this to your water, it drops the pH of your water. So if you want to do this organically and at home without buying these products, you can use lemon juice, which is very acidic, which will lower the pH of your water, or you can use baking soda, which is very alkaline, and that will raise the pH of your water. In this case, we're going to test and adjust the pH of our water now using these 2 products. So first, we know we need to raise the pH of our water. We're going to take 3 drops of this product. It usually doesn't take much when you have just a little bit of water. If you have a lot of water, it's going to take more. We're going to use these test strips to test the pH because it's going to be a lot quicker and simpler. It's good to leave them in the water for at least 10 seconds. So we pull this out, you can see that they're still pretty red, although we're up to about maybe 3. Getting close to maybe 4. We'll leave that strip there. We'll add a few more drops of our pH Up. 3. So we give that a mix. Wait 10 seconds. You can see we're definitely in the orange here, number 4. Almost perfect match. You see the difference between the red and the orange? We're going to add 6 more drops. In this case, once it starts changing, changes a lot quicker. So now, as you can see, we're definitely heading towards 5, but still number 4. This time, it's definitely going to jump with 6 more drops. Good mix. So, as you can see, we're definitely up to 5 here. We're just below 5. And we need to get to 6.5. So I think another 6 more drops might do it. A good mix. So this is what you want to do, is test little by little and work your way up to the pH that you're looking for. So here we go. We look here. We are definitely much yellower than 5, and we're right on 6, almost getting green. I'd say a hair more, we will be right at 6.5. Let's go 3 more drops. And a good mix. Ten seconds. And definitely darker than 6 and lighter than 7. Ta-da! 6.5. Now, just to show you how much this can change, should we shoot for 14? I don't know about 14, but definitely. Let's see. Just for kicks and giggles. Ba-bam. Definitely have a dark green. Almost a 9 or a 10. It's definitely getting blue. That's a 9. So, just to show you that the pH down also works. Now we're up to 9 or 10. Let's bring her down. Hopefully your water isn't that far off like ours was. Typically you're going to be pretty close and you only have to adjust it a little. But our water was way down at the very bottom of the scale. Now we brought it way back up to the top and down again. Wow, what a reaction. Bam. Down back to 3. So there you have it. Now you know how to adjust the pH of your water. There's no excuses. One of the biggest errors that a lot of beginning hops growers make is not adjust the pH of their water. It's the simplest thing that we can do to help our plants absorb all the nutrients. Before you throw more nutrients on your plants, check your pH. The best thing to really do, and I highly recommend it, is send your water to a certified lab that's done tests on water and is more familiar with hops. They can give you any recommendations that you might need in case there's something other than pH that you need to adjust in your water. I hope you liked our video. Thanks for being with us today. Okay, friends, no excuses. Go out there and adjust the pH of your water. If you don't know how to test your pH, I'll put a little link here on our last tip, tip 1B, how to test the pH of your water. Also tip 1, what is pH? You can check that out. If you like, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, folks. We're going to put tips all about growing hops the whole year long, and our hops blog is on our channel, Hops World. Thanks for being with us. We really enjoyed it. Cheers to life.